Hello, friends. Here is a 6 minutes speech for you on Independence Day. You can cut and add the content according to your requirement. If you like this speech, please do subscribe the channel. India will celebrate its 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021. Like every year, the tricolor will be unfurled from the Red Fort, Old Delhi by the Prime Minister of India. On this day, the citizens pay respect to all the great leaders who fought bravely for India's independence in the past. However, this year there will be no grand celebration or social gathering due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Independence Day is a national festival and national holiday too, which means that all government offices, post offices, banks and stores will remain shut. The states and central government webcast their events and celebrations to highlight their progress and devotion for nation. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. Before independence, India was a British colony, and during that period our people have suffered a lot and have sacrificed their lives. People who have been born after independence must feel proud for the same. Therefore, they must acknowledge the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. After independence, we got our own constitution and are able to enjoy our fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be an Indian, and we should admire our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. From 1857 to 1947, history has noticed several revolutions and sacrifices of our great leaders and freedom fighters. We should not forget the sacrifices of all the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rani Lakshmibai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and millions of others whose names are not even known. But they fought to make India free from the colonial rule of Britishers. We should remember the teachings of freedom fighters like Gandhiji's non-violence philosophy and should follow in our lives. On this day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort. Every year, Red Fort is ornamented with flowers along with the podium, stairs, marching ground and seats for guests are arranged. Prime Minister hosts national flag with national anthem Jan Gan Man and address the nation by sharing the achievements done by the government via different schemes acts in the previous years, and also promises to make his country number one in the world. After this speech, 21 gunshots are fired to honor the freedom fighters by armed forces including Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Army. Motorcycle troops and the parade is conducted on Red Fort where they salute national flag. At last, Prime Minister greets students, teachers who attend the function by letting go of balloons in the air. India is known as one of the most powerful countries in the world. Still, people's love for their country doesn't keep them away from celebrating their Independence Day. Citizens celebrate the day by remembering the freedom fighters with full energy. अब भी जिसका खून न खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है. This dialogue from Rang De Basanti gives goosebumps to listeners, but it suits those fighters who sacrifice their lives for us. Let's remember Bhagat Singh, 22 years boy who left his family perfect job and decided to become a freedom fighter along with his friends Rajguru and Sukhdev. Mahatma Gandhi left his perfect household life and started Satyagraha movement, Dandi March. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई खूब लड़ी मर्दानी थी वो, झांसी वाली रानी थी वो, who fought with Britishers carrying her son on her back till her last breath. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as Iron Man of India, made India a united country and helped the traders people by dividing parts of the country into different states. Many government and non-government organizations also celebrate Independence Day. Schools, colleges decorate their classrooms, halls with drawing of freedom fighters, write poems, decorate walls with balloons and art not only in India but also in foreign countries Indians celebrate the day by distributing sweets and by singing national anthem. On borders, soldiers also hoist national flag, then sing and dance patriotic songs. They feel proud because citizens trust them and easily sleep at home. Soldiers live their luxurious life to protect our nation and us. For the sake of their country, they decide to join the army, whether it's armed forces, navy, BSF, commandos, or para-armed forces. Without informing their loved ones, they go to missions with no idea that whether they will come back alive or wrapped in national flag. Many wars took place, whether it was the Kargil War, India-China War, violating the rules of LOC, URI attacks, Pulwama attack, but every time our forces prove their enemy that now they are not going to compromise or give any type of mercy. On this 15th August, Indian Army installs 100-feet national flag at Gulmarg in Jammu and Kashmir. Let's give big hands for their patriotism and sacrifices. नमन है उन वीरों को जिन्होंने इस देश को बचाया, गुलामी की मजबूत बेड़ियों को अपने बलिदान के रक्त से पिघलाया और भारत माँ को आज़ाद है कराया। जय हिंद।